We'll guide you through how to rotate your canvas in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer and make sure your project is loaded. If you want to rotate the canvas, you need to use the Rotate Canvas tool. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key and then press the spacebar. This will activate the Rotate Canvas tool. Now, click and drag your mouse left or right on the canvas to rotate it to your desired angle. You'll see the canvas spinning smoothly as you drag. If you want to reset the rotation back to the default, simply press the number 5 on your keyboard's number pad. This will instantly snap the canvas back to its original orientation. Remember that rotating the canvas is not altering your drawing, it's just changing your view to make it easier to work on different parts of your artwork. If you're using a graphics tablet with customizable buttons, you can also map the Rotate Canvas function to one of the buttons for easier access. This can be really handy if you frequently adjust the canvas while working. If you want to rotate the canvas precisely by a specific degree, you can go to the menu bar at the top, click on View, then Canvas Rotation, and choose Rotate Left or Rotate Right to adjust in 15-degree increments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.